Fusion Point has the capacity to organize these kind of innovative courses in which we are combining students from different universities. The added value for the students to do this kind of multidisciplinary projects is clearly that they are open to other ways of working, and it's a great opportunity to improve soft skills, and that is very important because this is what they will find later on in the real world, in working for companies.
It's very important for the students to work in a multidisciplinary team because they can work with people with other backgrounds, other mindsets, and that brings them a new experience, new learning, and a new way of seeing things. The students could participate in a lot of activities, especially those that involve design students or engineering students, that allow them to learn from other experiences, from other backgrounds, and in fact it's an excellent peer learning for them.
The Fusion Point is giving us this possibility to think out of the box. Yeah, this environment that we have here is helping us as a professor and also the students to think on a different way. And this is essential for the disruptive innovation. Do the things on a very different way. They are using in this kind of experience the learnings that we are giving them, but also learnings from other courses, and it's real, because they are in front of a real company. This is not about teaching, this is about learning.
Fusion Point was very helpful for these experiences because they know really well how to organize these kind of experiences. They help you with all the organizational aspects. They know the dynamics for the students and how to work with them.
Students were working in groups, and in each group we had students from the UPC, the engineering school in Barcelona, students from the design school in Barcelona, and students from Esade. So I believe this mixing all these different expertises is very interesting for the final outcome of the project, but also for students, because it's a great opportunity to improve soft skills. So they learn how to work with other type of professionals that may have other ways of working and even other ways of thinking.
I will encourage all the teachers of Esade to have an experience here because it's good for the students, they learn a lot, it's good for us. We have only to concentrate in our course and everything flows with Fusion Point.